Okay, let's start. If else condition with break statement. Here, what is break? Break is a statement in Python that terminates a loop. It is for loop or while loop entirely. Why? Because of we can use break statement. Because of break statement is used to exit a loop. Here, while true is a loop. That's why we can use break statement. When a certain condition is met, any condition is met, allowing for more control over the loop execution. Here the loop breaking, here we want to use for break statement is breaking of loop. Okay, let's see real time example. Student exam fee is equal to 50,000, student pay amount is equal to 44,000. Here student due, how much student can due, so that's why we can use minus operator. Here we can take while true, it can print continuously, we cannot give break statements. If we can take if condition, 50,000 greater than or equal to student pay 44,000, we want to print this if statement is okay, then go to print statement. Here if condition is not satisfied, then go to else condition. Okay, let's see what happened here. It can print continuously. Why? Because of it can satisfy the if statement. Okay, unexpected event, it can use the indentation. Okay, if here condition is satisfied for if, here it cannot satisfy the if condition, it can satisfy only else condition. Okay, let's comment this break. It can run infinitely. Why? Because of while true loop. Let's uncomment. That's why we can use if else condition with break statement.